What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Lonely by Diplo and the Jonas Brothers. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or else I will curb stomp you into oblivion. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, so this song is in standard tuning, and as always I will have the guitar tab that you can download. It's in the video description, so if you need that once you get done with the video, jump into the video description, it will be there for you. You're starting out with your index finger on the 8th fret of your D string and your pinky finger on the 9th fret of your E string. You're plucking those at the same time. Then you're going to slide that down to the 3rd fret on the D string and the 4th fret on the E. Plucking those at the same time again. Then you're going up to the 4th fret on the D and the 6th fret on the E. You're plucking those at the same time, so... Then you're jumping down to the 4th fret on the A and the 6th fret on the B, and you're plucking A, B, A, B, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then you're plucking 4 on the low E, 5 on the D, or 5 on the G. So, again, that's 4 on A, 6 on B, and then 4 on E, 5 on G. So that entire first half looks like one more time. Now this plays through twice, but the second time is just a little bit different, and then that entire thing repeats throughout the entire song. The second time you're still doing you're doing everything the same. The only thing that changes is instead of going to the 4 on your low E and the 5 on the G, you're going 8 on A, 9 on B. And you pluck it the same way, just 1, 2. So that second half looks like So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play through this entire thing slowly so you can really see what it looks like. If you need the guitar tab again, you can download it in the video description. I'm going to play through it slowly. It looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.